What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm reviewing a stock, and there's another stock that I will review next week. This one's a high yield dividend stock. There's some pros and cons of it. It does have pretty decent dividend growth, which I'll go over, and the price per share is actually pretty cheap. But there's some things that need to be looked at. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this stock out right now. And Duke of Prune said, I saw recently where Warren Buffett was buying ARK, so it's now on my watch list. And I was wondering if you can do a review on Western Union. I like the numbers, the buybacks, and the massive dividend, but they supposedly are losing business year to year. Would love to hear your analyzation of Western Union. And of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Let's check this stock out. So here's Western Union. It's sitting at 1282 right now, and it's not doing too hot against the S&P. At one point, it was beating the S&P. Its dividend yield is 7.35%, has a very low PE ratio, somewhat attractive. Average volume 7.78 million. Market cap is 4.79 billion US dollars. Year range is 1227 to 1997, huge dip, so that could be attractive. Day range 1279 to 1293, and its previous close is 1286. Now let's look up these guys real quick. Let's look at their history as a company real quick. These guys, looking at their website, it's clear they're a financial company. So here's something that's very interesting. So this is on their website. Whether you need to transfer money to friends down the street or family across the globe, Western Union gets your funds there quickly and reliably. Excuse me, I can't even talk. I got to get this coffee to kick in. So here's the thing. So that's what these guys do. But what else do they do as a company? We need to see what else these guys can do and can't do. So here's their current services. Wire transfer, so money can be sent online or in person at Western Union agent locations. Cash can be collected in person at any other Western Union agent location worldwide by providing the 10-digit money transfer control number and identification. In some cases, a secret question and answer can be used instead of identification. In October 2007, there's Western Union Mobile. Western Union announced plans to introduce a money transfer service in the GSM Association, a global state association representing more than 700 mobile operators in 218 countries, covering 2.5 million mobile subscribers. Also, Western Union Connect. The company launched Western Union Connect service in October 2015, following partnerships agreements with major instant messaging apps WeChat and Viber. The partnership allows users of WeChat to send up to $100 to China, the US, and other countries, while other users can send it up to $100 for $3.99 plus exchange rate, with a fixed fee increasing more money set up to a limit of $4.99. So let's look up a few more things. So this is one thing that's good with these guys. So learn about countries that you can send money abroad. Western Union is a global company, so that's global, with a lot of subsidiaries, considered one of the biggest overseas money transfer business. The money transfer service has operated for more than 150 years and has reached more than 600,000 agent locations around the world. With Western Union, you can send money to Jamaica, Haiti, the USA, India, Turkey, Mexico, the Philippines, Colombia, Congo, Pakistan, and many others. Western Union's digital service is convenient and safe. You don't have to go out and use it. So you use an app. So let's go over their revenue and dividend history real quick. So I'm going to go as far back as to 2009. This is in millions US dollars. 5,083, 5,192 in 2010, 2011, 5,491, 2012, 5,664, 2013, 5,542, 2014, 5,607, 2015, 5,483, 2016, 5,422, 2017, 5,524, 2018, 5,589, 2019, 5,292, 2020, 4,000. 835. That's totally understandable. People could not go overseas or were limited because of a vaccine and because of COVID. 2021, 5,070. 2022, 4,475. So there's a little bit of an inconsistency with the revenue. Let's go to its dividend history now. Let's start in 2012. It was 10 cents, and then it jumped to 13 cents at 2012. And then 2014, it was still 13 cents. 2015, it was 16 cents. A little stagnant at 16 cents. 2017, it was 18 cents. 2018, 19 cents. To 20 cents in 2019. 2020, 23 cents. 2021, 24 cents. Stagnant at 24 cents, and it has not hiked its dividend for a while. So the payout ratio is 53%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. Dividend growth in 5 years is 5.81%. So if you bought one share, you made 94 cents with a 7.31% dividend yield. So I'm going to go over the pros and cons. 1, dividend growth appears to be stagnant. 2, it's a cheap dividend stock. So that's a pro. High yield, which is a pro. Another thing is its price per share is decreased. So there's some red flags popping up. Another thing, people are probably going to adapt. So there's going to be a little bit more competition, but they are the biggest one for transferring currency. A little bit of uncertainty right now with a potential recession. So people are going to be a little tight on money, so they may not be traveling as much. Of course, business is always crazy. People move around. Like, the one pro too is if you have a business, people travel a lot, so you're going to have to transfer currency. But if you look at those trends from when I started with the beginning of these guys, their revenue has not done well. So I don't expect that many dividend hikes in the long run. And of course, I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. I have to repeat that 1,000 times. The high yield dividend stock, but I am not buying it. I just looked at it. I mean, if it's really attractive to me based on a request, I'll buy it. I just don't like the trends. It hasn't crossed $6,000 in millions US dollars yet. Stuck right at 5,000. So yearly. So that's one thing that is a turnoff. I don't see an increase in revenue. For example, like T Corp or Huntington Bankshares, there's an increase in revenue. So there's a hike in the dividend. I don't see that many dividend hikes happening unless people get sucked into a yield trap. So that's one thing that is a problem, major problem. So, I'm turned off from that. I'll watch it. I'll definitely watch it. I mean, they are on, a lot of advertisement, and people need like currency to be transferred over. If I go to, another country, these guys are convenient, but how often do I go to another country? I'm not, going crazy like this, So, or with doing YouTube collaborations and stuff, and you can do them live. So I don't have to travel to somebody's place to do a YouTube collaboration. So a little bit turned off. I think there's more cons than pros. The only pro is like it's a high yield dividend stock. It's less than $20 and it's not doing too hot against the S&P. But the cons, money, dividend growth. I don't expect dividend growth to happen. More competition and fears of recession. So I'm not going to buy it. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is one that like really grabbed my attention. So I know I have a lot of videos a lot of stocks to review. So make sure you make a comment in the comment section. I just recently did a lot of reviews on stocks. So, I can't, if you hit that notification bell and watch my videos daily, because I try to post daily videos, you may catch that stock that you mentioned. I've done a lot of remixes and I can't continue to keep on doing remixes. You guys take care and have a great weekend. And I'm going to try to squeeze in 2 shorts. I have to do a lot of homework It's due by Sunday. So I'm going to be focusing on that a lot after my shifts. You guys take care and have a good one.